This channel strictly adheres to ethical guidelines and does not support or encourage any illegal activities. The content shared here is purely for educational purposes. Hi everyone. If you're new to React, this video is for you. I'll walk you through everything: creating the project, installing dependencies, and running the development server so your app is live on your machine. Follow each step closely, pause when you need to, and by the end, you'll have a working React app to build on. Let's go. To start, create your project using this command. E-commerce app will be the name of your project folder, but you're free to keep it or change it. I'll also include every piece of code used in this tutorial in the description for easy access. Your project has been created, and you can now see the folder on your local machine. Next, let's add this project folder to your VS Code workspace. The folder has been added successfully. You can now see all the files, including the Node modules directory. This is the basic structure of your React application, complete with sample code that you can modify to suit your needs. Use this command to navigate into your project folder. Next, open the public folder, locate index.html, and add the Tailwind CSS script inside the section. Watch carefully and follow along. The process is very simple. Save the file to proceed. Now let's install Redux using this command. Follow carefully to avoid mistakes. Now let's create a few additional files and update the existing ones to build our e-commerce application. As mentioned earlier, you can find a link in the description to access all the code used in this tutorial. Follow along carefully as I walk you through the updates. Now we're almost there, but let's install Axios before we continue. Finally, let's start the application locally using this command. Don't worry if you're new to this, you don't need to memorize them. Here you go. This is our e-commerce application. It's a simple foundation that you can build on for larger projects. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.